Forward everybody. Okay, this was a question which is a given. Okay, now listen everybody. This was a question. Everybody, listen to this question. Everybody, this was a question given in a GATE examination. Once upon a time, it was given in CAT examination, and Capgemini also had given this question. Okay, listen to this question. What is said that one day Rahul and Priya have decided to meet at a place between 2 and 2:30. It's PM, students, not AM. I know that. Okay, you might think AM. It's PM. Okay, in the doper ka time. Okay, the person who comes first. Okay, the person who comes first will wait for the other. The person who comes first will wait for the other for not more than how much, students? For not more than how much? 10 minutes. Okay, so just try to make it 10 here. Clear? The person who comes first will wait for the other. Okay, not more than 10 minutes. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? We don't know who comes first. This kind of probability meeting questions have also been given, students. These kind of questions have also been given. Okay, we don't know who came first. We have to find out that. Okay, now let's try to move forward, everybody. The person who comes first, Rahul comes first or Priya comes first, we don't know. Whoever comes first, they will wait for how much time, students? 10 minutes, not more than. They will wait for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. They will wait for 10 minutes also. But 11th minute, they will not be available. Are you understanding, everybody? 11th minute, they will not be available. So what is the first question is given to you? Students, the first question is given to you. If Rahul arrives at 2:10, if Rahul arrives at 2:10, then what is the probability that they can meet? If Rahul arrives at 2:10, what is the probability that they can meet? Let's try to move forward now. Let's try to move forward and just try to explain you this question. Look at this thing, everybody. This is 2 o'clock. This is 2:30. I hope you all understanding that. This is 2 o'clock and this is 2:30. Whoever comes first, are you understanding, everybody? Whoever comes first will wait for the other person. For not more than how much time, students? For not how much time? 10 minutes. Okay, clear. Now, he told you the question that Rahul arrives at 2:10. Means this is the time Rahul came. Rahul arrives at what time, students? Rahul arrives at 2:10. Okay, but he didn't tell you Rahul came first or Rahul comes second. He told you Rahul came at what time? 2:10. Okay, so Priya may come before Rahul also. Priya may come after Rahul also. Are you understanding, students? Priya may come before Rahul also, and Priya may come after Rahul also. Believe that Priya comes at 2. Believe that Priya comes at 2 o'clock. Can they meet? Yes, they can meet. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Why they can meet? You just try to tell me. Because Priya came at 2 o'clock and she can wait for 10 minutes. Definitely Rahul is coming at 2:10, definitely. So if Priya comes at 2:01, if Priya comes at 2:01, also it's possible for Priya to meet, because Priya will be staying for how much time, students? Priya will be staying for how much time? 2:11. Definitely they have a chance to meet. If she comes at 2:03, yes, 2:02, 2:04, 2:05, 2:06, 2:07, 2:08, 2:09, 2:10. If she comes at 2:10, also Priya can meet. Are you understanding, everybody? If Priya comes at 2:11, if Priya comes at 2:11, can they meet? Some people will might think that they will not meet. It's wrong. Why? Look now, when Priya comes at 2:11, tell me who is the first person to be coming there? You tell me who is the first person to be coming there? Rahul. Are you understanding, everybody? So Rahul became the first person. If Priya comes at 2:11, Rahul is waiting for Priya now. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, here, if Priya comes at 2:12, also they can meet. 2:13 also they can meet. 2:15 also they can meet. 2:18 also they can meet. 2:19 also. 2:20 also. If Priya comes at 2:21, no, they can't meet, because Rahul can wait only for how much time, students? Rahul can wait only for 10 minutes. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. This is the time where they can meet. This is the time they can meet. What is probability? I already taught you. Students, probability is nothing but favorable by total. Favorable cases by total cases, or else favorable time by total time. So tell me, in this thing, how much time is in favorable for them? Okay, so you all know that. How much time, students? 10 minutes or 20 minutes? 20 minutes is in their favor. Are you understanding, everybody? If I'm going to ask you, what is the total time given here? What is the total time given to you here? 30 minutes. Is this clear to you? Is this clear to you? So we can say probability is nothing but favorable time by total time. As you know that favorable time is given as 20 minutes for them and 30 minutes is the total time because they are supposed to meet now. So let's try to cancel that. Bolo, what's the answer? 2 by 3. That's good. Sagar is not 1 by 6. Sagar, it's 2 by 3. Hope you are understanding this one. Is it clear to you? Okay, no worries. Okay, so same question I'm giving to you. It's not 30 minutes. I'm sorry for that. I have printed wrong here. It's 10 minutes. Okay, so what do? I just want you to give one question. Please try to do this question and get the answer. Everybody, this time you should not have any doubts. Okay, okay, so it's very simple. Okay, Aditi, just try to listen once again. Aditi had a doubt in this thing. This is 2 o'clock, Aditi, and this is 2:10, not 2:10, 2:30. Okay, who came first? It's not given, but it's given that Priya comes at 2:05. This is 2:05. So this type of questions will be given to in meeting point. All of a sudden, if this question comes, might be your friends might not do it, but you will definitely do it. I guarantee that. Okay. Now, who came at 2:05? Priya comes at 2:05. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. If Priya comes at 2:05, we don't know about Rahul. Let's try to believe that Rahul came at 2 o'clock. They can meet 2:1. They can meet 2:2, 2:3, 2:4, 2:5, 2:6, 2:7. Yes. Rahul has a time 2:10, 2:15. Yes. 2:15. Hope students, you people got it. Am I right, everybody? That's good. Okay. Now, so what is the duration they can meet? Okay. Yeah, this is in their favor, students. What is the time in their favor? You all know that 15 minutes in their favor out of 30. So probability is nothing but favorable time divided by what time? Total time. So we can say it's 1 by 2. Is that clear to you, students? I believe you all people have got it. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? अच्छे से जा रहे हैं session? That's good. Shivani, have you understood? चलिए, good. Okay, what do I do now? What do I do? I'm going to give you 2 more questions, students. This is the 1 question and this is 2 questions. Please try to get the answer faster. I made a small mistake here. It should be 10. Okay, if this question, let's talk about this question. Okay, here Rahul comes at 2:10. What is said, students? Rahul comes at 2:10. You got the answer. You got the answer because Rahul time is given to you. Students, try to listen very carefully. Okay, now second question, when we see that, he told very clearly Priya comes at 2:05, means Priya's time is given to you, students. When Priya's time is given to you, you can clearly say the answer. Are you understanding, everybody? In this question, Priya time again given to you. Are you understanding? You are able to answer. But students, do you think that here you have been given? No, nothing is given to you. He is asking you, 2 persons are supposed to meet between 2 and 2:30, means half an hour gap, and the person whoever comes first will wait for the other for not more than 10 minutes. In this scenario, what is the meeting? Students, I would like to give you one small formula for this thing. That formula will save a lot of time of yours. Following, everybody? Chaliye. That formula is nothing but, remember it, probability is nothing but favorable, sorry, total time square minus unfavorable time square. Total time square minus unfavorable time square divided by total time square. Are you understanding, everybody? Total time square minus unfavorable time square divided by what? Total time square. Is that clear to you? Clear? Now, using this thing, you can save a lot of time. I guarantee that using this thing, you can save a lot of time. Okay. I didn't get the second one. Yes, ready? Just try to, Monica, just try to listen, everybody. I'm teaching you. Okay. Here, 2 persons are supposed to come between 2 and 2:30. 2 and 2:30. Whoever comes first will wait for the other for 10 minutes. This is a condition. Okay. So whoever comes first, we don't know. Either Rahul may come first or Priya may come second, whatever. But in this scenario, this shortcut makes a very easy way. Let's try to think about the total time. Total time in this question is nothing but 30. So total time square minus unfavorable time. Listen, students, if one student is coming in 10 minutes, for any person, 10 minutes will be in favor. Definitely, even if he's coming late also, it will be in favor. So you all tell me, how much time will not be in favor? How much time will not be in favor? Means the remaining 20. So write down this 20 square divided by 30 square. So which gives you very clear calculation, 900. Students, minus 400 divided by what? 900. So it's all very clear to you. So it's 500 by 900. It's very simple. Answer is what, students? 5 by 9. Are you understanding, everybody? I hope you have understood this thing. Clear? Total time square minus unfavorable time square by total time square. This is a formula which is a last step of the big process. I mean to say, whenever you do this kind of process, this is the last step of the big process. Following, everybody? Is it clear to you? So without formula also we can do it, but it's a long process. That graph I need to explain you. Okay, so we can save a lot of time. The last step of the graph is the same formula. Following, everybody? Clear? Chaliye, no forward. Okay, so let's try to move forward, everybody. I hope everybody got it. Yes or no? Say yes. Chaliye, suppose he told you one small question. For example, have a look, everybody. The question is, two persons have decided to meet between, listen to this question. Two persons have decided to meet between 2 and 3 p.m. in the afternoon time. Whoever comes first will wait for how much time? Not 30 minutes, let's say 20 minutes. Understood my question? I'm making a small change here. Okay, so two persons are decided to meet between 2 and 3, means 1 hour time will be there, whoever comes first. Okay, but whoever comes first, the other fellow have how much time? 20 minutes will be in favor. That's it. So the last step of the big process we can do using this formula. What is that? Total time square. Students, what is total time here? Total time is nothing but 1 hour. 1 hour means how much? 60 minutes, 60 square. Are you understanding, everybody? Divided by minus unfavorable. What is unfavorable? Sir, in this 1 hour, you all know that when 20 minutes are in favor, how much is not favor? 40 minutes. Divided by, probability is always total. Hope you have understood that. This is 3600 and minus 1600. I guess you all know that 1600 divided by 3600 means 2000 divided by 3600. 0 0 0 0 cancel, 4 5 0 4 9 0. So here comes the same answer, 5 by 9. Hope you are understanding this. Clear, everybody? Chaliye. So let's try to move forward and just try to go with the next concept. Following, everybody? So we have done in Dice's number probability. You remember in the probability we have done what? Number probability we have done, Dice's probability we have done, and we have done calendar based question, students, and also we have done meeting point. Remember, tomorrow anybody gives you meeting point, don't say I don't know. I can know that thing. You give me any time, I can tell you the other time. Or else students, if they're going to give you total probability also, you can do it with the help of small formula. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? Chaliye. Now let's try to move forward now. Here let's try to learn pack of cards now. Yes, pack of cards are also given to you. So let's try to move ahead. How to learn the pack of cards? Let's try to have a look, everybody. So you all know that. How many cards are there, students? How many cards are there overall? 52 cards are there. You should know all these ideas. Are you understanding, everybody? You should know all these things. Bolo, how many cards are there, students? 52 cards are there. In these 52 cards, there are 26 cards which are black cards and 26 cards which are red cards. I have not taken any kind of animation in this thing, otherwise I would have shown you, and I hope you all know that. You all play the cards, you all know that. Okay, so these are black cards and these are nothing but red cards. Following, everybody? Chaliye. Let's try to move forward now. Okay, good. Now, students, in black cards, again you have two categories. They are nothing but spades, clubs. In red cards, there are two cards. One is what? Hearts, and the other is what? Bolo, that is diamond. Following, everybody, students? Is it clear to you? Chaliye. I hope you all know spades. This is a symbol of spades which comes in black color. You all know that. And this is something we call it as, बोलते ना हिंदी में चिड़ी, वही है चिड़ी. Are you understanding, everybody? And I hope ये तो सबको पता ही है. Heart. Okay, and this is the diamond. So these are the four kind of symbols in a pack of cards. Yes, we will do this pack of cards. These are the questions what we are doing right now, students. Before we do all these questions, we should know the basics of these questions. Are you understanding, everybody? I hope everybody is learning now. Okay, before we go, we have to have a knowledge of this thing. Okay, now what are the spades? Spades are of 13 cards. How many cards? 13 cards. So what are the 13 cards? A spade, 2 spade, 3 spade, J spade, 4 spade, 10 spade. After 10, you don't have 11 number. That is Jack. Again we have King. Again we have King. Are you understanding, everybody? These are the kind of 13 cards. Are you understanding, everybody? How many? 13 spades, 13 clubs, 13 diamonds, 13 hearts. 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. Sorry. Are you understanding, everybody? This is a spade, but don't you think one more A will be there? That A will be on club. A club, 2 club, 3 club, so on to 10 club, J club, Q club, K club. Are you understanding, everybody? Is this clear to you? Now, A heart, 2 heart, 3 heart, so on to K heart. A diamond, 2 diamond, 3 diamond, 4 diamond, 5 diamond, 6 diamond, 7 diamond, J diamond, Q diamond, K diamond. Are you understanding, everybody? So these are the kind of things you always have. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Yes. How many types of A's are there? 4. How many types of kings are there? Well, how many types of kings are there? 4 different types of kings. And if I ask you, how many queens are there? There are 4 queens. This queen has a symbol of club. This queen has a symbol of heart. This queen has a symbol of what? Diamond. So these are all the things you should know that. Are you understanding, everybody? Say, so these are all the basics. When I taught you dices also had the basics. This also had the basics. You must know these basics, students. These all basics you should know. Before we answer something, we should know these basics. Following, everybody? Along with this, along with these basics, you have one more type of basics. I'm telling you what are the 4 kind of cards. Okay, listen, students. In this category, there are 4 different types of cards. One is ace, one is jack, one is queen, one is king. Students, these cards are special cards. These are said to be honored cards. HONORED. Yes. Why I'm telling you, in Wipro, one question came from probability from this concept. Are you understanding, everybody? In Wipro, one question have come in probability from this concept. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Honored cards. What do you call it as, students? Honored cards. Honored cards are nothing but ace, jack, queen, and king. Following, everybody? Now, when I'm talking about these cards, then only these cards, which only 3 cards, they are said to be face cards. Are you understanding, students? What cards they are said to be? Face cards. Yes. Following, everybody? So basically we have learned all that stuff. Now let's try to move forward. There are 26 black cards and there are 26 red cards. Don't forget this basics. I hope you all know that. In your leisure time, you just try to play with that kind of cards. Okay. And not only that, in these black cards, there are 13. What is this? 13, students? 13 spades, 13 clubs, and 13 diamonds. Oh, sorry, 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. Following, everybody? Again, these 13 cards are classified into like this, like this, like this, like this. And special cases. Who are all these things? They are said to be honored cards. Bolo, what these all, students? They are said to be what cards? Honored cards. If you remove ace, remaining all are jack, queen, king. Following, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's sort of move forward here. Very simple question, sir. I'll be teaching this question. You will be answering later. Okay. Let's sort of move forward now. What did he say that? He said you, from the pack of 52 cards, from the pack of 52 cards, 1 card is picked at random. How many cards? 1 card. So, you all know, students, what is denominator? 52, C1. Don't say I don't know. We have learned already. When you pick 1 card, 52, C1. Why do you say 52, C2? Because we will pick 2 cards. Are you understanding, everybody? Don't forget these basics. Picking of numbers is same like picking of cards only. Picking of numbers is same like picking of cards only. Okay, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move across. Okay, 1 card is picked at random. What is the probability that? What is the probability that it is a red card? What do I know? What do I know? What is it is a red card? Have a look here. You tell me how many red cards available to you? How many red cards available to you? 26. So these 26 cards are there. In these 26 red cards, do you want all red cards or 1 or 2? Just 1. So how many ways you can pick? 26 C1. This is to your favorable. This is your red card is your favorable. Are you understanding, everybody? I want denominator also. Do you know what is denominator? Denominator is nothing but 52C1. So in short, you can say 26 by 52. Are you understanding, everybody? Are the things are clear to you? Yes, it's very clear to you. Okay, clear. So yeah, that's good. Are you understanding? Okay, good. 13 are that thing. Okay, chali, let's try to move forward. I'm talking spade card. In these 52 cards, you're randomly picking one card, and that has to be what card? Spade card. Let's try to move forward now. What's the chance of getting a spade card? What's the chance of getting a spade card? So you should know that. You should know that how many spade cards are available. How many spade cards are available, students? 13. Now, Anusha, you're right. 13 spade cards are available. 13. In that one card you want, take 13C1 upon 52C1. So we can say 13 by 15. Students, what is the motive? What is the intention to write this C1, students? Don't forget, because you're picking one card. When somebody said picking two cards, definitely it should be C2. That's it. Are you understanding, Kavita? That's good. Okay. Yes, Swati, Rao, everybody. Chaliye. Let's sort of move forward now. What did he ask you? It should be a numbered card. My question is, it should be what card? Numbered card. Students, I would like to take you back numbered cards. So do you all have any idea what are the numbered cards? Let's try to move forward in numbered card. So 2, 3, 9, 10, 5, 6, all these are from 2 to 10. 2 to 10 spades, 2 to 10 clubs, 2 to 10. So I hope you all know that. How many numbered cards are there, students? There are not just 9 numbered cards. Okay, there are all 36 numbered cards. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? So you all tell me, oh, it's 15. And jaldi mein likh diya hai maine na. Koi baat nahi, it's 52. Okay, everybody? Chale, good. One's a, four's a. Happy? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Numbered cards. You all tell me how many numbered cards are there, students? 9 of spades, 9 clubs. So like this 36. 36C1 divided by 52C1. That is 36 upon 52. You know how 36 you got it, everybody? You know how 36 got it? 9 cards are clubs. 9 cards are spades. Hope you have got it. Following, everybody? You're picking only one card. You don't have any problem. You're picking only one card. You don't have any problem. Is that fine, everybody? Is it fine, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Okay, what did he say? Ask you? King. Sir, I have 52 cards. You're closing your eyes. You're picking one card. 100% king? No, sir. It won't be 100% king. There are many cards. So, how many cards in your favor? Hope you all know that. How many cards are in your favor? You all know that. So, there are 52 cards. That is the denominator. So, do you have any idea how many kings are there? 4. So answer is 4 upon 52. You can also say 4C1 upon 52C1. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Yes, that's good. That's good. Following, everybody? So this is the way we are supposed to do it. Hope you are understanding this. These are picking one card. One card is okay. What is probability? We should never forget. What is probability, students? Probability is nothing but what do you want your favorable cases divided by total cases. Hope you're understanding this. Following, everybody? Chaliye. Now it's at my back side. What did I say? Honored cards. Students, what do you call it as? Honored cards. The last question, what I'm talking is honored cards. So do you have any idea how many honored cards are there? Can you answer the last question? What's the answer for the last one, students? Tell me, what's the answer for the last one? 16 by 52. Hope you all people are understanding this. Is it clear here? From the pack of 52 cards, now you just try to have a look, everybody. What did I say here? Students, from the pack of 52 cards, I'm telling you something that 2 cards are picked at random. Are you understanding, everybody? When 2 cards are picked at random, so you have any idea what is denominator? Yes, you all know that. Like this, 52C2. And what do you want favorable that you are supposed to write on here? Are you understanding, everybody? Am I right, everybody? That's good. That's good, you are understanding that. Following, everybody? 52C2. Don't forget these all basics. Following, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward, everybody. And I want you to answer this question. Okay, I want you to answer this question, please. C2. Sujita, you're saying 26C2. Why 26C2? Because reds are at 26. How many reds you want? That matter. Reds are at 26. You want 2 reds? Take 2 reds. Divide by. 52C2. Are you understanding, everybody? Hope you are learning good. Okay, good answers. Make it faster, everybody. Okay, both are spades. Both are spades are very simple, students. 13C2 by 52C2. Following, everybody? Chaliye. I know that you're learning very good. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's sort of move forward now. Both are numbered cards. It's the same thing. Okay, numbered cards are how much? 9999. Four categories means 36C2 by 52C2. Why C2? I make you learn this thing, in the first session of, probability, and we have also learned, permutation, combination, select. Following, everybody? That's good. Okay, chaliye, let's sort of move forward now. Again, I'm going to give you a question, students. Two cards are picked at random. How many cards are picked at random? Two cards are picked at random. What did I ask you in this question? Students, what did I ask in this question? One king and one numbered card. I don't want both are reds, both are the kings, both are honored. No. In that, one king should be there and one numbered card should be there. Are you understanding what I mean to say? One king and one numbered card. Telling me. Because one king, what is one king? 4C1. That's good. Okay. One numbered card. And we told you, and means what, students? I told you it is into. Okay. 36C1 divided by 52C2. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Shall I give you next one? Well, do one more question. Varying, your answer is different. Some people might be thinking, sir, this question and this question both are same questions. No, there's a difference over there. There's a difference in these two questions. I must explain you. Try to listen, everybody. Your answers are flocking out. Okay, now let's sort of have a look, everybody. Let's try to find out the difference between these two. Yeah. The first question he gave you is this one. This is one king, one numbered. One king. Listen, everybody. I must tell you here. You are picking two cards. Here also you're picking two cards. Here also you're picking two cards. But in this thing, you want the order. I'll tell you what to do now. So, how these answers are different. Listen, everybody. Okay. First time, what you're doing here. Everybody try to listen first time. Okay. When you come and stand for the first time. When you come and stand for the first time, you have a pack of cards. I understand you have a pack of cards and you're picking one card from here. How many cards you're picking? One card. So the first card, whichever you pick, that first card must be a king. Following, everybody? Listen, everybody. Now I'm teaching you how to do it. Okay. Now listen, everybody. Here you have got 52 cards. How many cards you do have, students? 52 cards you have, and you're picking one card, and that one card has to be, you tell me what that one card has to be, king. So tell me how many chances are there? Do you think all 52 out of 52 are kings? No, students. In that 52 cards, how many are? 4. Are you understanding? How many? 4. Over. Go out. Go back to your home and come next day. And you come second time. Are you understanding, everybody? Two cards we are supposed to pick here. One card is king. Okay, and the second card is what? Numbered. One card is king and the second card is what? Number. So let me just, okay, Aditi, your net has stopped. Okay, clear? So here 52 cards are there. Okay, students, 52 cards are there. Okay, first time when you pick, how many kings are there? 4 kings. So what happens second time, students? Are you understanding what I mean to say? Second time, when you try to pick here, you want numbered card. But tell me, do you have 52 cards left? No, students. Try to understand that you have 51 cards left. How many cards are left? 51. In that 51 cards, what do you want? You want numbered cards. So how many numbered cards are there? How many numbered cards are there in India? 36. In these 51 cards, you have 36 numbered cards. So this is the best answer. Are you understanding, everybody? This is how this answer is different from this answer. Yes, they are different. Yes, they are different. Shall I show you? Let's try to move forward here. Let me try to calculate, students, here. What is 4C1? That is 4. into what is 36C1, that is 36, divided by 52C2, 52 into 51. Don't forget to write down into 1 into 2. And is not plus. Or means plus. Or means plus. And means multiplication. This we have learned in permutation and combinations. But still I'll tell you right now. Again that concept will come. Have a look here. Clear? No. And means both. This concept and also that. Multiplication of both things. Okay. Listen now. Okay. Let's try to listen now, everybody. So I'm writing this answer here. I'm writing this answer here. Means I'm writing 4 into 36 by 52 into 51. Following students, what this will go to the numerator. This will go to the numerator. Following everybody. So what I'm supposed to do now, this will go into 2. Following everybody. Now I'm elaborating the answer. Just try to listen where your confusion goes. I'm elaborating the answer. Means the meaning of these things, 4 into 36 by 52 into 51 one time, plus 4 into 36 by 4 into 36 by 52 into 51 another time. Are you understanding, students? Students, I'm telling you what is this answer. I'm telling you what is this answer. This answer is this answer. This answer is this answer. Means this 2 times. Why 2 times? Listen, everybody. I'll elaborate the story now. What did he ask in the question? You just try to see the question. He asked you one king and one number. He told you first king. He told you second number. He told you first number, second king. He didn't tell you anything, students. Means you want. Listen, everybody. You want first king. And somebody is asking, what is and? Bhavan Kumar. Just listen, okay? First king and second number, or else second one first number or second one king. Are you understanding, everybody? He didn't tell you. In this question, students, he is not telling you who should come first. He told you one king and one number. So you should take both orders. Either numbered king or, I think, you're understanding, Bhuvan? Either numbered king or king numbered. Either this case or that case. Either this case or this case. So you're asking you separately. But what did he ask you here? सब लोग देखिए, मैं बताता हूं क्या है. One king. Okay, one king. How you have one king? बोलो, how you have one king? बोलो पापा, how you have one king? 36, 4C1. And also into one queen, 4C1. And one number, 36C1. Divided by 52C3. Why 3? Because you are picking 3 cards. Hope yahan tak to clear hai. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? I will elaborate this thing. Listen, everybody. अब मैं इसको elaborate कर रहा हूं. That is 4C1 is 4. You all know that. Again, 4C1 is 4. 36C1 is 36 only. But listen, 52 into 51 into 50 upon 1 into 2 into 3. This will also come. Hope you all know that. Students, this 1 into 2 into 3 will also come in combinations because you have to divide it to remove the like cases. So what is this? So what is this, students? So what is this? Have a look here. This is 4 into 4 into 36 upon 52 into 51 into 50. What is that? Into 6. This 6 will go to the numerator, as you all know that the basics. Matlab kya? You know what's the meaning of this? The meaning of this answer is same answer. 6 times. Into 6 times the same answer. Why is same answer 6 times? Because it can be, answer can be king queen numbered or king numbered queen. These two cases. Or queen king numbered or queen numbered king. These two cases. Like this, all the 6 cases you're gonna have. समझ में आ रहा है everybody? Like this, you're gonna have all the 6 cases. So one shot. In one shot, you have all the possibilities writing in one. Are you understanding, everybody? Everybody. Amit, here you might be right, Amit. Huh? Check it out. I've got 52 cards. I've got 52 cards. I want first one king only. Here I want king. Then when I pick for the second time, I want here. When third time when I pick, here I want. Chalo. Only 3 cases are there. That's good. Yes, Sampada, are you understanding? Very good. What is the basic difference between this question and this question? Is nothing but, in the first question, give me all the cases. One shot, you will get all the cases. In the second one, I want order. When you want order, here 4, here 36, here 4. That's it. Hope you're understanding this. Okay, clear? Chaliye now. Now, students, again, I'm giving you only this, students. Following everybody? Clear? Understood this question? So, from the pack of 52 cards, I'm picking 2 cards. Understood the scenario? Chaliye. Now, one extra question I'm asking. If the first card drawn is king, what is the probability of the second card? Next card is numbered. Are you understanding, everybody? Question is slightly changed. That's good. Sir, I'm not asking what is the first card. Arey, I already know the first card is king. I'm not asking that probability. I want the probability that second card is numbered. So we all know, students, very clear. Listen, everybody. So how many cards are there overall? 52 cards are there. In these 52 cards, first card is king. Bolo, how many cases? 4. How many cases, students? 4. Arey, I don't want the probability of this thing. I want the probability that the next card I'm talking about. I want the probability of the next card. Again, so tell me how many cards are left with you? 51. In this 51 cards, what number cards are there? 36. So best answer is what? 36 by 50. This is the probability of what card, students? Single card. Students, tell me what is this probability? This is a probability of order. नहीं, यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहा हूं. और ये क्या है? This is all the cases. All the cases, numbered queen, king, or numbered king, queen, all the cases. And this is what? Individual probability. Hope you are understanding, students. People may give you any variety of questions in probability from cards. समझ में आ रहा है? 3 cards are picked at random. Bolo, students, how many cards are picked at random? Chaliye, let's try to move forward now. I just want you to do this question right now. Very good. Because students is asking you what's the probability of the third card. 52 are there. 52 are there. First one, queen, 4 cases. Again, next 51 cards. Again, queen, 3 cases. Arey, sir, I don't want probability of this thing. I want the probability of the next card. Means how many cards are still left? 50. In that, the king should be how much, students? 4. Answer is 4 upon 50. Are you understand? अभी मैं बताता हूं आपको. This is Mehak Sharma. She is my student. Lots of students come to like what we call about Hyderabad in my classroom training. Near about 300 students per session will be there. So this is what is sounding in Amirpet. And altogether some 3000 students come every year. Okay. Now, she has given one question. Infosys questions, Baba. These are the questions given in Infosys. So people, what do they do after the examination? Whenever they are, I'll just keep on pinging them. और क्या आया है और कौन से क्वेश्चन से बताओ, so that I can help the others. So it will boost the confidence of the students who are going to prepare for this thing. Are you understanding, everybody? Isn't it? So what it said that 3 bulbs are chosen. How many bulbs are chosen? 3. There are 30. How many bulbs are there? 13. 5 are defective. Now, all the 13 are not good. 5 are defective. Following, everybody? Look. So I just asked something. Okay, for second section, 10 questions will be there in the second quantitative. This is a pattern paper of Infosys. Okay, 1 question from time, speed and distance students, 2 questions from probability. In that she shared 1 question. In that she has shared 1 question. Rakesh Naidu, you got 5 by 16. Hopefully, might be. The answer is this thing. And she has given 1 number series question, something like this. And 5 questions from logical things. And she said third section, okay, is 3 paragraphs. Whoever are preparing, Sagar, 3 paragraphs will be there. 5 marks each. And rest all are, she told, are sentence correction. You're doing 100% same questions will come. Don't worry about that. It's my duty to pick all the questions and just try to keep in front of you, so that if you do these questions, it will be sufficient that you can crack the companies. Okay. ये होते रहता है every year since 2010. I am talking about. This is where I am teaching 10 years. Okay, since 2010 I am teaching this kind of CRT, not banking, not SSC, CRT. Following, everybody? ये पढ़ाते पढ़ाते कौन क्या दे रहा है यहाँ तक तो आया. Anyways, 13 bulbs. Okay, how many bulbs you are picking? 3 bulbs are chosen at random. What do I know? I know concept. You say the pack of cards, you tell me numbers, you tell me anything, I'll do it. 13 cards are there. Okay, how many are picking? 3 cards. Okay, not cards, bulbs, one of the same. You all know that 13C3. Are you understanding? You all know that. That is what, students? 13C3. Is it clear to you? What do you want? What do you want? Sir, in these 3 bulbs, following, everybody, exactly 1 defective I want. Okay, so let's try to do categories now. Everybody, just try to understand the question. Denominator, though, you all know that. Listen, everybody, what I'm teaching you here, there are 13 bulbs. Okay, in that 13 bulbs, in the 13 bulbs, 5 are good bulbs, and the rest of not 5 are good bulbs. 5 are defective bulbs, and 8 are good, 5 are defective. Are you understanding, everybody? So how many bulbs are chosen at random? 3 bulbs are chosen at random. Understood my question, everybody? Out of 13 bulbs, 3 bulbs are chosen in bottom. In that we have categories. 5 are defective, we told. Understanding, everybody? Listen to the question very carefully. Exactly 1 means don't just try to pick 1. Sir, everybody is saying 13C1, 13C1. Kaun bola 13C1? 3 bulbs are chosen at random. Don't try to misunderstand this thing. Following. Listen, everybody, carefully. Listen, everybody. 13 bulbs are there. In that, 5 are defective. Definitely, when 5 are defective, how many are good? 8 are good. You should understand. He didn't tell you 8 are good, but you should understand that. In 13, 5 are bad and 8 are good. Okay. So 3 bulbs are chosen at random. Don't try to forget that. We have done this thing in combinations. So हमें क्या चाहिए? We want, sir, only 1 defective piece. Okay. Only 1 defective piece. Only 1 defective piece. Who are the rest of the 2? You tell me, who are the rest of the 2? Good bulbs. Because why? You are supposed to keep in this brain. I'm picking overall 3. When you choose 1 defective, he told rest of the 2 should be good. Following, everybody? So you are supposed to pick like this. From 8 bulbs, you have to pick 2 good bulbs. 8C2. 8C2, Subhashmita Babu, 8C2. Anusha is doing good answer. 8C2 into 5 black cards. 5 kings, you have to pick one king. Same concept, 5 kings, you have one king. Divided by denominator, you all know that. 52C3. Are you understanding, everybody? What's the denominator, students? 52C3. Understanding, everybody? That's good. Means if you know cards, you can also do these kind of questions. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? That's good. Hope, Rakesh Naidu, have you understood this thing? Is it clear to you? Yes. So let's try to move forward, everybody. 13C3. I'm sorry. I was in cards, okay. Oh, I haven't got 13. Concept is same now, so I've written the same thing. Anyways, let's try to move forward, everybody. Okay. Now, condition change now. Listen, students. Okay, इसी को एक रोमांचिक क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं. यहाँ पर एग्जैक्टली नहीं दिया गया था स्टूडेंट्स. He told you at least one defective. Understanding my concept? At least one means minimum one. Minimum one have to be defective. Chali. Here we get the cases now. Here we get this one defective means two non-defective, or two defective, one good, or 3 out of 3 defective, 0 good. Understood, everybody? At least means I told you that there are different cases. Are you understanding, everybody? Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? So this kind of things will be given to you. Following, everybody? So people keep on changing the things. People keep on changing. If they at least exactly depends on you. So how will you say this answer? This answer will be 8C2 into 5C1 or 8C1 into 5C2 or means nothing but plus, students. Don't forget that. What is that? 8C0 into 5C3. So these are the 3 different cases. What are you going to have? These are the 3 different cases. What are you going to have? Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. Yes. Might be Infosys has given CBSE question then. Okay, everybody. Chaliye. Let's try to move forward now, students. The concept is same. Cards if I say, bulbs if I say, refrigerators I say. Some people give you radios. There are 13 radios, 5 are defective radios. Yes, this kind of question might also come here. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward here. Okay, 3 balls are chosen at random from 3 black, 5 red and 4 blue balls. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? What is the probability? So you all forget about that. Okay, so here overall how many we have? Overall how many we have? We have 3 black and we have 5 red and we have 4 what, students? 4 blue. Means overall how many you have? 5 plus 4 plus what's that? 12. So 12 balls are there. In the 12 balls, how many balls you are picking, students? 3 balls you are picking. How many? 3 balls. So tell me, when 12 balls you have, 3 balls you are picking, denominator is 12C3, that's it. Students, what's the denominator? 12C3. Concept I'm telling you, okay? 12C3. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? That's good. Following. But what is the probability is asking you right now? What is the probability is asking you? Chaliye. All different colors. Means all the 3 out of 3 should be different color. Means if you pick one color black, one should be red. If one should be red, one should be blue. All are different colors. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? So one from here, one from here, one from here. you're listening to that. Okay, all different students, this is the last questions, don't worry about that. Okay, so there's a chance that I may continue few questions. Okay, I may continue few questions of probability in the tomorrow's session. Again, tomorrow we'll start a new topic. Following everybody, just try to listen everybody, just try to listen everybody now. Okay, so what we are doing here is what, all different colors, you got this thing, all different colors. I'm happy that you all got different colors. Now let's try to see here, what did he ask in the next question? He asked you all are same colors. So this kind of question will also be asked to you. Just try to see everybody. What he said that 3 black, 5 red and 4 blue balls. Are you understanding everybody? The chat box has stopped. You all know that. You are the same colors. What do you want, students? You want the same color. So let's say to have same color. All the colors, all the balls can be black. All black. All the 3 out of 3 can be red. Or all the balls can be blue. Students want same color. All of them should be same. Or else all red or else all blue. Are you understanding everybody? Is it clear to you? Chaliye. Now that's good. Okay. Now you are saying all 3C3. That's good. Okay. Sujita is saying 3C3 or else, or means I told you, Bhuvan, that is plus 5C3 plus all 3 blue 4C3 divided by what, students? 52. Sorry, 52 आदत पड़ गई है, पत्ते बहुत खेलते हैं ना. What he said that all total how many balls are there? Total how many balls are there, students? 12. 12C3. Are you understanding, guys? Everybody, are you understanding everybody? That's very simple. He told you all different. All different means one black, one red, one blue. This kind of given in the GATE examination of 2018. He did not give you this thing. This you all know that 3C1 into 5C1 into 4C1 divided by 52C3. This you all know that. This is all different. This answer is all same. Are you understanding everybody? But GATE has given socks. They'll give you 3 pairs of socks. In that 4 red, 3 blue, same kind of question. Socks, radios, or washing machines, or bulbs, or these balls, or you call about the boys and girls, or you talk about pack of cards. All these comes into the same category. Sometimes they'll give you no blue ball. Look at that. In the question told you what? 2 blue balls he gave you. How many blue balls he gave you, students? 2 blue balls. Are you understanding everybody? Only 2 blue balls. Following everybody? Clear? What he said that how many balls you're picking overall? 3 balls you're picking. How many balls you're picking? 3 balls. In the 3 balls, he's asking you 2 blue balls. That's it. What is the third ball he didn't mention? What is the third ball, students? He didn't mention. Are you understanding everybody? That's very good. So let's try to have a look everybody how to do it. 2 blue balls. Means here I'm picking 2 blue balls. The one more ball is red ball or black ball or only red or only blue? We have no idea. So this is the way we are supposed to pick. We are supposed to pick here. From here. From here, you are supposed to pick this card. From here, you are supposed to pick. Are you understanding everybody? Clear? Now you all know that. Overall, 8 are there. 8C1 into what's that? 4C2 divided by 52C2. Following everybody, people give you variety of conditions, but if you know the concept of combinations, in that permutation combinations, if you know the concept of combinations, you know how to pick, that is separate. But in cards, in the pack of cards, be very careful. He'll ask you exclusively order also, sometimes about the exclusive card. Following everybody, students, let's try to stop the session here.